The Rack Shop is proud to present this Toyota Tundra with a Leer bed topper that has pre-installed tracks. We've just installed the Yakima LockNLoad platform 60 by 54 inches, along with the Yakima SkyLine towers and landing pad number 1. Locks are shown here but are not required, so those are an available add-on if you feel like you want to add some security. But overall, you do have a substantial weight carrying capacity from the rack. The actual capacity is going to be determined by how much the shell can hold. But the LockNLoad here has quick release features, so if you want to remove it for cleaning or storage or when it's not in use, it's easily done. In addition, there are LockNLoad adapters as part of this kit. So LockNLoad is great for all sorts of different gear, whether it's storage cases, some bike racks, kayaks, just a really strong foundation for carrying all sorts of different gear. So this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete rack system with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. That's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.